3, 2, 1, go!
Good morning everyone. Gagawa ako ngayon na Mr. Gulaman. So, I pour it here. I pour it here. So now it's already boiled. So I pour Mr. Gulaman. Mr. Gulaman. What is the flavor of this? Buko pandan flavor. So okay, you mix until boil. You mix until the water boiling. Okay. So I need to add another water. I add also 3 teaspoons of sugar. So the sugar is not enough, so I need to add 1 more. Five tablespoons of sugar. Or later I need to add condensed milk with I eat. So okay. So I mix this until boiling the water. Once it's boiling already, you need to off the fire. Okay? So because very hot today, so let it cool a little bit, and after that we pour it here slowly. Because now it's very hot, so we need to cool a little bit. Okay? So guys, ito na nalagay. I just put in the cup just now. So this one I need to cut just like this one. Okay guys, I just add it here. I just make like this. So guys, take a look. This is my jelly. So I add it here. So it's very yummy. This is good for the weather, because now it's very hot. So guys, ito na siya, oh, her. So yan. Guys, meron akong kukunin sa aking sa ref ni Amo. Yung yesterday I make a jelly. So this is it. Yan. Yan yung gawa kong jelly kahapon. So di ba? Libre ako sa libre ako. Ano naman ang ano. So libre ako. Huwag ka lang magano, you need to huwag ka lang mag lazy work hard na lang para ano. Yan. I need to add a little milk. So, it's yummy. So, this is today. This is me today. I need to control my food, my eating, because I become fat. So, okay. Bye-bye.